Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, annoying as DiDi. So today, you guys are gonna be spending time with me. Yes, y'all gonna be spending some time with your girl. And I got a bunch of stuff to do. I gotta clean up. I gotta feed the kids. I gotta get the kids situated. Get my daughter to change her dress. She has been wearing this dress that we had got for her. And she'll like take a bath and then put the dress back on. No, it's time to take it off and get it washed. And I gotta clean up. Then I'm gonna make breakfast. What time is it right now? What time is it? I can't even see. Dre, what time is it right now? What's that say?
11:07.
It's 11:07. What are you doing with those sticks?
Bringing them outside.
For what? You're letting flies in the house. What are you doing with those sticks?
I'm putting it in the back. In the front.
So y'all gonna see what I get done on a day-to-day basis. You're gonna see me fussing at my kids. You're gonna see me fussing at my husband probably, maybe, I don't know. It depends on what's going on and how I'm feeling. But my house is a mess. I got some laundry to do. I gotta take this down. I gotta do the dishes, make them something to eat. I'm thinking about making them some spinach and eggs with some sausages and toast. And then we gotta go to the store. I need some new curtains. And yeah. So first things first is I gotta clean my house. My house is a mess before I do anything. So what I've done so far is I sorted the laundry, I did the dishes, and now I'm about to start cooking. Then I gotta make sure the living room, then I gotta make the bed, then I gotta do the girls' hair, then I gotta make sure everybody brush their teeth and get dressed. And so yeah. I need a nap after breakfast, but I got stuff to do, so no naps. Right now, I'm about to edit a video for tomorrow. I have it posted for tomorrow. Let me turn this down before I press this. Yeah, I know I look a mess, just a little bit. Okay, so I have to edit my video for tomorrow. I hope this fool ain't mess with it. Cause you know. Xavion, you brush your teeth? I told y'all to brush your teeth, right? Zani in Nayari? Did you brush your teeth? You brush your teeth? When you... Let me see your teeth. Okay. Yuri? Yuri, you need to brush your teeth?
She said nothing. She was like...
Alright, y'all. So, I'm done editing my video. I'm just exporting it now. I think I am going to have a little chill session right quick because I'm a little tired. I sorted some clothes.
Mommy, you're such a good YouTuber.
You think I am? Why you say that?
Because there's some YouTubers that have like good graphics and stuff. But they only have 800 subscribers, and you're going to game and stuff, or make any scary films, and you have 2,400
Yeah. YouTube is not just for gaming. YouTube is for all kinds of content.
You don't even game or do any science project or anything. You just do stuff. So
I think I would get more subscribers if I did some gaming on my channel.
Yes.
Yeah. Would you like to see me do some gaming on my channel? Would you watch Mommy game? Yeah. My daughter used my toothbrush to brush her teeth. Oh my God.
Working all day all night 네가 말한 대로 나는 될 거야 랩스토어 Working for bills 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게 늘어나 Living more life better life 또 따라오는 사랑은 나 thanks to the God 한기 많은 밭도 넘어지면 다시 일어나서 세상에 충지를 박 왔던 대로 그냥 하던 대로 스타일 사인 족하고 그냥 막 가는 거지 이제 말만 하는 워너비들 깔아놓고 수면 위로 하여 위로 올라가지 랩4 팀 네가 말하던 팀 나 매일 내 법을 할리우드 던전이 아무도 못 보는 이유 난 너무 높아 엎지르지 않는 그 위치 니들 타고 다닐 거라 스위시 Fuck your team now we In the end we're like 이제 세상이 나를 주목해 watch me Fuck your game I win 거꾸로 올라가 just shoot 반대로 살아난지지 always no shade 우린 없지 dude
Another level's of lies 더 큰 거짓말을 위해 삶 I got another level's of lies 나는 더 큰 세상을 삶 또 다른 목표는 나는 펼쳐 비현실과 현실이 나름대로 섞어 머릿속에 내 모습은 겹쳐 나가 떨어지는 나고자는 바로 나요 Well 향기가 나는 랩 게임 아로마에 빠져 정신이 높은 나요 일요일에 니들 발을 닦아르마 종교에 빠져 시신이 고픈가요 아니면 다리 그냥 살고 싶은가요 또 아니면 다리 그냥 알고 싶은가요 나도 내요 빈생 마음껏 나는 그냥 하고 싶어